हम टाइप्स ऑफ स्कूल्स को हमने कल देखा कि डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्कूल, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्कूल, कम्युनिटी स्कूल, public school, private school, and religious schools and other kind of the schools. In these different types of schools, principal as school leader, head teacher as school leader play a significant role in improving the teaching learning conditions, focusing on students' powerful learning. So here in this particular lecture, we will take one of the case studies from a community-based education setup, and we see how the role of principal in a community school play a significant role. What kind of the challenges that principal is facing while improving the school. As we have discussed previously, there are 5 types of schools based on their performance. Because of their performance, these schools are labeled as moving school, cruising school, improving school, declining school, etc. So we will see here how this principal as school leader is struggling, is working in a community-based setup, and what is the role of this principal in improving the school overall school system. So when we see there are different sort of roles this principal is playing in the context of community-based schools. Somewhere this principal is playing a role of community liaison officer, who is linking with the community, who is coordinating with community members in order to enhance the resources at school. Somewhere this principal is playing as a general secretary, honorary secretary of the board of directors, where the SMC is one of the school managing committee which governs within the community. When we need to understand the structure of this community school, that is, this community, a particular kind of the community is managing resources, is organizing this school, and providing support to the principal to run the affairs of the school in this setup. So there is a difference between a community school and a private school. Although this community school is a private school, but here the focus of community is to provide education to community children at an affordable fee. It's not so expensive as compared to other private schools, but the quality of education is good as compared to other private schools. So that is the difference between, in the context of Pakistan, in the context of Gilgit-Baltistan, when you see the nature of the community schools and the other private schools. This is the difference. So this is the whole background of the case study, and we will see what are the key findings of this study based on its research, and what is the role that principal is playing, what are the challenges that principal is facing, how to improve the school. So there are some of the key things which we will discuss. The first finding is that head teacher performs her best to provide better education to children. When you look at the role of principal in a community-based setup, here in this community school, the role of principal is very complex. It's multidimensional one. It's a multi-layered one, and it's very challenging one. But instead of all these sort of situations, this head teacher, this principal, is playing her best role, playing her role in a very effective manner in order to provide better education to children. Second finding of the research is that this principal tries to meet stakeholders' expectations in terms of improving teaching learning conditions. Principal has to fulfill the expectations of the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? The community, the parents, the students. And because of this expectation, this principal tries her level best to improve the teaching in the classroom, improve the learning situation at the student level. So this is the another finding. Improving school infrastructure. This principle is trying to improve the school infrastructure. For example, uh, trying to motivate the stakeholders to uh, construct new, better, infrastructure facilities, better classrooms, better, labs, library, and other facilities in the school. And at the same time, this principal is trying to upgrade school. If the school is at primary level, the principal tries to her best to upgrade the school up to middle level and the higher secondary level and the secondary level. So in this way, the principal is found to be struggling every time to improve the infrastructural facility and improve the teaching learning conditions. Third important point here is this principal is struggling to motivate teachers and other staff members. And at the same time, this principal is trying to satisfy the parents as one of the key stakeholders. So therefore, this principal is struggling every time in the context of school improvement. There are some of the factors which create some sort of challenging situation for the principal. And those factors could be disabling factors, for example. So what are those disabling factors? What are those challenging factors that the principal is facing while improving the school in a community setup? So the first and the most critical factor is financial resources. There are lack of financial resources in community schools because community schools are organized and managed and run by the community members by developing an SMC, community, school managing committee. So that might be the reason that in these poor communities there are lack of financial resources. So this lack of financial resource in community school does not help principal to bring improvements in the school. This is one of the big challenge. Another big challenge that the principal is facing in community school is teacher turnover, because in community schools there are resources which are very limited. They pay salaries at a very lower level, and that's the one of the reason that teachers do not stay for a longer period of time in school. They come and stay for a while when they do not get that much of salary, whatever they are expecting, if they are not getting any other benefits from the school. So because of these lack of financial resources and other incentives in the school, they switch over to other schools. So that's why the turnover remains in the school, community school, as one of the challenges that the principal is facing every time. So this challenge is a very hindering factor for improving the school. In addition to that, this principal is also facing other sort of challenging situations. For example, motivating parents and community SMC members to enhance the salaries, to come up with the resources and this and that. So based on these findings, this research recommends some of the things. How can the SMC or the community leaders improve the conditions of teaching and learning at the school? The first recommendation is that a teacher needs more focus on academic matters by reducing clerical and administrative time. Because of the community school, most of the time this principal remains interaction with parents in discussions, in meetings, and motivating parents and responding to the community members. Therefore, this principal always remain busy with clerical activities, with administrative engagements. So to improve school, this principal needs to focus more on academic matters, more in teaching and learning, observing teachers in the classroom, giving feedback to the teachers, uh, as compared to engaging with other clerical job and administrative activities. Second recommendation is that in SMC, members should be selected based on their knowledge, skills, and attitude towards school management to provide support and reduce administrative load from a teacher. Because of this, the nature of community school, this SMC is there to manage and provide support to the head teacher. If the members are selected based on their knowledge, skills, and attitude, they can better help head teacher. Otherwise, if they are not good at the knowledge that is required for understanding a school and schooling, and if they have no skills, if they have no positive attitude towards school, they cannot help. Third important recommendation is that improve salary structure and provide incentives to the teacher so that they can reduce the frequent turnover from the community school system. Another important recommendation based on this case study in the context of community school is that the institutions which are supporting the school must focus on how can they better improve the teaching learning conditions in school. In addition to that, there should be an external monitoring and evaluation mechanism who can guide SMC members, who can monitor SMC members, who can provide guidance to them how to improve the school school system in the context of community based education setup. In addition to that, they need to provide additional support to the head teacher in order to upgrade the qualification of the teachers, providing professional development opportunities, so that if the SMC will be supportive to principal for conducting training, sending teachers for professional development activities, and establishing in-house professional development activities in the school, so they can better help this teacher, head teacher, rather than engaging head teacher in meetings and this and that. So therefore, the whole case study findings and the recommendations, you can see what are the key findings are, what are the challenges that the principal is facing, and how these challenges are overcome in order to improve the community school system. So in this way, you can understand and you can look at other system of the schools, public schools and private schools, and you can conduct a study, and you can see what is the role of the principal, how a principal can play a significant role to improve the teaching learning conditions at school. So the most important focus of school improvement is, as earlier I discussed, that the students' powerful learning. If the principal is focusing on student powerful learning, and that principal is focusing on teachers' teaching practices in the classroom, if the teacher is observing teacher, providing feedback to the teachers, and making record of all teachers, and following ensures follow-ups of their feedback and their improvement. So this is the way that the principal can be engaged more with the academic matters as compared to administrative matters.